Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's class session. So till yesterday's session we discussed about pin setups as well as we created a item class setup and we created a item and we assigned it to organization also, and I requested everyone to perform couple of test scenarios. I hope everyone performed that one.
Not at sir. We're planning.
Okay. Okay then. So that's fine. Okay, so log into the application with our implementation user. Select sign in. Select sign in. So navigate to setup and maintenance. Navigate to setup and maintenance. So navigate to product management offering. Navigate to product management offering. So here, so far we configured these setups like item creation setups. So we discussed about item templates, item statuses, life cycle phases, as well as, so we even discussed about some other setups also. So that's fine. Operational attribute, group control and everything. Then what is another mandatory concept in product management is item catalogs and item categories. So as I said, till release 11 in cloud application also, item catalogs and item categories is a key flexi field concept. But from release 12 onwards, so the key flexi field concept is totally removed. It's like a text entry box. So how we are going to prepare the setup is kind of text entry box only. So that is the first point. Second point, so in e-business suite, is item catalog mandatory or item category mandatory?
Item category.
In e-business suite, item category is mandatory, but in cloud application, both item catalog setup also mandatory as well as item categories. Of course, if you want to maintain item catalogs as a mandatory, then automatically item categories will become mandatory. So both are mandatory setups. Both are mandatory setups, and we have a simple difference is there. So item category catalogs is the way we are going to segregate the items, and we have a concept of a default catalogs, nothing but functional area of catalogs. First, we'll discuss about item catalogs and categories. Okay, so let me open some document. I think we already have some Excel document. Let me open the same Excel document. Okay, so just open one more tab. So here, let's check. Someone keep on, who is this guys? Someone keep on messaging me. Okay. Okay. So then, what is an item catalog and item category? First thing, what is an item category? What is an item category? A definition.
Set of items will be assigned to.
Sorry, someone?
It is a level where items can be assigned to that particular level.
Okay, I mean it's not like, I mean, okay, yeah, you are close to the definition. Okay, so usually item category nothing but grouping similar kind of items we will say on a category. So all similar kind of items we are going to group as a category, correct? All similar kind of items we are going to group as a category. So yes. Catalog nothing but we are going to group all similar kind of categories as a catalog. That means a item category nothing but grouping similar kind of, guys, at this moment I am writing all the definitions, but going forward you have to habituate to write a notes, to make a notes, guys. Okay, so as we are still in initial phases only, I am writing each and every point in notepad, but going forward you need to prepare notes. If you do like this, it will take 6 months to complete the batch. Okay, grouping similar kind of items is item category, or else you can say grouping similar kind of items into item category. So anything you can pronunciation. So then what is item catalog? What is item catalogs?
Grouping similar kind of categories.
Grouping similar kind of categories. Grouping similar kind of categories. So tell me, okay, one second, it's not quite so tell me, my business is okay, someone, so any is up to our decision, or it's up to business decision how you want to group it. Okay, end of the day business decision only. So it's up to business decision how they want to group their items into categories and catalogs. Just we'll go with couple of examples. So just give me some electronic selling shop name. Some electronic selling shop name. Some business name. You all purchase electronics from some store, right?
Bajaj.
Bajaj.
Okay.
Reliance.
Someone say Bajaj Electronics. Bajaj Electronics. Okay.
Reliance
So
Group.
what Bajaj Electronics will do? What they will sell? Okay, tell me what are the items they will sell?
Television, washing
TVs.
machine,
So washing machines,
refrigerator, yeah,
refrigerators.
kitchen items like
I mean electronic related kitchen items. And what is ACs? Let's take an example.
yeah,
So what is that selling? Do they sell mobiles?
yes,
Do they sell cameras?
yeah,
Do they sell laptops?
yes,
Yes.
Okay, what is they are selling? For example, just say
Mixie.
yeah, mixies. Okay, I mean just it's okay. Mixies and yeah, mixies, micro ovens, all the electronic items they will sell related to a household electronic items and TVs and everything, TVs and everything. So these are the items selling by Bajaj Electronics. Okay, so let's take an example TVs. Let's take an example TVs. So what are the brands we can see in TVs?
Samsung,
Samsung,
LG,
LG,
Sony,
some Sony,
Panasonic,
Panasonic. Similarly, just give me something for mobiles.
iPhone, Apple,
Apple,
Samsung,
Samsung,
MI, OnePlus,
yeah, Xiaomi, OnePlus, HTC. Okay, so again, just let's go to laptops. Let's go to laptops. Some Dell laptop,
HP,
some HP laptop, Asus laptop. Okay, this is the business done by Bajaj Electronics. Okay, everything is going to have some components. So this is the business. So same thing. This is the Bajaj Electronics business where they are selling so TVs, mobiles, laptops. But again, one more business. Just give me one company name which are going to sell only laptops or only mobiles. Okay, give me one name. Only mobiles. Let's take Lot Mobile or some Big C. Big C mobile store. Big C mobile store. So what is this Big C mobile store will do? Do they sell TVs?
No.
no, only
Do they sell
mobiles,
washing
mobile
machines?
accessories,
They will sell only mobiles. Then what they will sell? They will sell mobiles,
mobile accessories,
mobile accessories only. Correct?
yes,
So again, mobiles nothing but, so when it comes to Big C mobiles, what they will sell, for example, so Apple mobiles they will sell, so Samsung mobiles they will sell, and what else they will sell? They will sell LG mobiles, and they will sell OnePlus, they will sell HTC, they will sell Xiaomi. So they will sell Leco. For example, I'm just giving some naming convention. I don't know whether they're selling or not.
Lenovo,
Moto Plus. Moto G.
Yeah, Moto. So they are selling Motorola, and so likewise they are selling so a lot of mobiles. Tell me the difference between Bajaj Electronics selling mobiles and Big C selling mobiles. What is the difference? What you observed when you try to purchase mobile from Big C and when you try to purchase mobile from Bajaj Electronics?
They're selling more brands, and the ranges also will be from low to high.
So when it comes to the Big C, so as their business is only selling mobiles, you can see wide range of mobile collection in each and every brand. Correct? But if you go to Bajaj Electronics, selling mobiles also part of their business, but that's not their main business. So as it's a part of their business, they are going to sell good number of models only, but not each and every model of the mobile. Correct? Correct,
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah.
So in this scenario, how usually business will divide items into catalogs and categories is, so let's take an example. So item catalog. So Bajaj Electronics is having catalogs. In this scenario, they will say, let's take an example based on the collections. All the Apple related. So for example, so they have Apple related items, Apple related mobiles, Samsung related mobiles, Xiaomi. But end of the day, all these items, they have some 15 models only. End of the day, they're selling only 15 models only. Across brands, they are selling some 15 to 20. So in 15 to 20, do they need to divide each and every brand as a separate item category?
No, okay.
So as the quantity is less, usually how business will decide is, so let's take mobiles is one item category. Mobiles is one item category. And so what they will say, these are all type of mobiles will comes under mobile item category only. Mobile item category only. Let's take an example, just an example. And so this mobiles will comes under some. So what we can say is we can define one catalog. So we can define under electronic catalog. So electronics catalogs. So under electronics catalogs, you can bring all these TVs into so categories. TVs is the item category. So washing machines on category. Likewise, you can divide items into categories, and all these item categories falls under electronics catalog. Or else. So what you can do is, so you can divide two different categories. So household electronics catalog. Let's take an example. Household items electronics catalog, as well as technology electronics catalog. Technology electronics catalog. So then how we are dividing in this scenario? Tell me. Technology electronics catalog. How we are deciding our items into categories and catalogs? So mobiles is technology, laptops is technology. Nowadays, cameras also part of technology only because we have all the smart features. Everything is available in cameras also. Let's take an example. Then how we are dividing our business into item catalogs and categories. So mobiles, I am dividing as one item category. All type of mobile models in each and every brand falls under mobiles item category. And this mobiles item category belongs under which catalog? Which catalog?
Technology electronics.
Technology electronics catalog. Same wise, laptops is one of the item category. Under laptop item category, so we can see some 10 models across 3 brands, and all these 10 models belongs to laptops item category, and this laptops category belongs to which catalog?
Electronics catalog.
So that means how on what basis we are dividing items into categories and catalogs in this scenario? On what basis we are dividing items into categories and catalogs in this particular Bajaj Electronics scenario?
Based on technology and household uses.
Based on
Technology and household.
range of items. Based on range of items, correct? Simple term. Based on range of items we are dividing, correct? So similarly, so when it comes to the Big C mobile store, so here entire mobiles are divided as the item category, as we have so only 5 brands. But when it comes to here, in the Apple itself, I'm having some 15 brands. In Apple itself, I have some 15 brands. In Samsung, I have nearly some 60 models. In LG, I have some 10 to 15 models. In Xiaomi, I have some 30 models is there. 30 models is there. So likewise in Aleco, I have some 20 models. In this scenario, how we are dividing items into categories and catalogs?
Based on each company is considered as.
So based on each brand, Apple category or as Apple item category. So Samsung item category, LG item category, OnePlus item category, HTC item category, Xiaomi item category, and Leica item category. Here under mobiles only, accessories. Accessories also falls under mobiles item category in Bajaj Electronics business. But when it comes to the Big C, so each and everything we are dividing as a category. And what is this mobiles going to become?
Catalog.
Item catalog. As here the volume is huge, each and every brand I am dividing into item category, and so mobiles I am dividing as a catalog. But when it comes to the so Bajaj Electronics mobiles become only category, but here it became catalogs. Likewise same accessories. So accessories also I am going to sell each and every accessory, including chargers, cases, screen guards, and everything, screen protectors and everything for each and every brand and for each and every model. So that is the reason mobile accessories I am dividing as another item catalog. In that another item catalog, all the Apple related accessories I will divide as the Apple accessory category. All the Samsung related accessories I am going to divide as so Samsung access category. That means based on the business to business, we are going to decide so how many item categories occurred, and those item categories belongs to which catalogs. That means number based on the number of items or some other things also will come into the picture. Based on the business to business, the way of dividing the items into categories and catalogs will change. And one more thing, so is this mandatory, like I need to maintain mobiles as their one catalog? I mean, for mobiles, am I have to maintain separate catalog, and mobile access, am I have to maintain separate catalog for Big C? Is it mandatory? Question is simple. Is it mandatory?
No.
It's not mandatory the way. So if you want end of the day, you can say one item catalog, and in that item catalog, you can say mobiles as one category. In that category only, you can assign all the 150 models items into one category only. So anything you can do it. Anything you can do it. So just this is an example how we are going to divide items into catalogs and categories. How we are dividing items into catalogs and category. And I'm clearly saying it's not mandatory to follow the same. It's not mandatory to follow the same. Anyone have any questions on theoretical concept of item catalogs and categories?
Sarath, the catalogs is not there in EBS.
We have catalogs also in EBS, but that's not mandatory.
Okay.
But in cloud, it is mandatory. Any questions? Anyone?
No, sure. Good.
Okay. Theoretical wise, others guys, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay then.
Thanks.
Okay, then we'll start defining the setup. So I'm going to close this notepad. I already copied to the Excel document. Then go to the application. Go to navigator. Select product information management. Select product information management. Go to task. Select manage catalogs. So here These are the archive seeded catalogs and created by some others. So in real environment, you won't see all these details. In real environment, you don't see all the vision data. So I'm going to create a new catalog. So here, click on plus icon, select create. Earlier, it is a key flexible concept. From the segments, we are going to choose the values. So for the segments, we are going to assign values. And from the values, we are going to get the values, and we are going to choose the catalog or category combination. But here, it's a text entry box. So my catalog is SCP underscore. Let's take an example. Laptop catalog. So all the laptops I am going to divide under laptop catalog. So description. Okay, code also. Select code. So and this catalog controlled at what level? So controlled at what level? We have two controls. One is master level and another one is organization level. So if you enable control at master level, that means this catalog we can associate with item at IMO level only, and whatever we apply to IMO, automatically all the child organizations. So for this catalog will assign. This catalog will assign to child organizations also. Controlled at organization level means, so for each and every organization, we need to choose this item catalog or category manually. So manually we need to apply. That is what. So item catalog controlled at. So master level or organization level. Master level or organization level. So I'm choosing initially as a master level. I'm choosing as a master level. So select master level. So go to start date. So when you are creating this catalog, from which date it is active. So this is active from today date. And if you don't want to use this item catalog anymore, then you need to give the end date. Then assign items to the leaf level categories only. So what it means is, so under this catalog, whatever categories is there, so only those categories we can associate. That means without choosing catalog, you cannot assign item directly to the category. So once you choose the catalog, then only the leaf level categories, whatever the categories will comes under that catalog, or only those categories we can associate the item. Allow multiple item category assignments. Allow multiple item category assignments, something. But so I have one item. So one item belongs to laptop catalog. So can I assign same item to laptop catalog Dell category plus laptop catalog HP category? Can I do that one? Sometimes yes, sometimes no, right?
Yeah.
So some bolt or something, maybe both are same. So likewise, based on your requirement, we can assign. So if you want to assign one item, so for two categories in one catalog. So for SCP underscore laptop catalog, if you have two categories, and if you want to assign the same item to both categories, then you need to enable allow multiple item category assignment. So if you check this one, so then we cannot do second one. But you can assign to another catalog plus category hierarchy. That's fine. Under one catalog, you can associate with only one category. But with another catalog category hierarchy, yes, you can associate. Okay. Okay. I will note it. So allow multiple category assignment. How it will work is, for example, SCP laptop catalog, SCP underscore. So mobile catalog. So here under laptop catalog, I have two categories, SCP underscore Dell category, SCP underscore some HP category. So then under mobile catalog, let's take an example, SCP underscore some Apple catalog. So I have an item that is SCP underscore bolt item. So I want to assign this item to, catalog and category. How we will do? So SCP underscore laptop catalog plus SCP underscore Dell category. So that means I'm going to assign this item to one catalog plus one category. And if you want to assign the same item to SCP underscore laptop catalog plus SCP underscore HP category, this is what allow multiple category assignments. That means both categories belongs to one catalog only. So if you are allowing multiple item category assignment means allowing to assign multiple categories for one catalog only. So are you going to allow or not will be enabled by this checkbox. If you enable, yes, we can assign like that. If you uncheck this one, that means we cannot assign for multiple categories. But so we uncheck this one, So that means system is not going to allow to assign multiple categories within one catalog. But if you want to assign the same item to SCP underscore mobile catalog, SCP underscore mobile catalog plus SCP underscore Apple category, yes, it will allow you. It will allow you because that is different catalog category combination. Okay, clear for everyone?
Sharad, the first one, sorry, I missed it. Assign item to a leaf
Okay.
level.
Assign item to leaf level category means a simple thing. So for example, without choosing this laptop catalog, directly you cannot choose Dell category from the list of values. Once we choose the laptop catalog, then only the laptop catalog related categories you can see under list of values. That is what leaf level category assignment means.
But as you defined, in cloud, both are mandatory, right? So how we can assign a category without assigning a catalog?
Yeah, I mean, so if you uncheck this one, ideally, I mean, it shouldn't require first thing. Ideally, it shouldn't require because in e-business suite we have this feature. When you implement item catalog, same feature came to the cloud.
Okay.
But ideally, it should. I mean, ideally, if you as you said, so we need to assign catalog first. So, but the same field carry forwarded to here.
Okay.
Because in e-business suite, so if you implement item catalogs, then it is mandatory. Because in e-business, item catalog is not mandatory, right? Only item category is mandatory. For that purpose, we have this checkbox. So, I mean, so carry forward, they just carry forward the field.
Okay. Thanks, Sharad.
Yeah. Okay, then this is what allow multiple category assignment. Is this a public catalog or not? Yes, anyone can be visible, public catalog. So click on save and continue. Click on save and continue. So here, these are the laptop catalog, CP under laptop catalog. Under laptop catalog, we are going to have categories. So far, no categories are available. So you can edit in spreadsheet, nothing but. So you can create these item categories through ADFDI and you can upload back. So ADFDI is a standard template for which we need to download. So application development framework data interface zip file, and we need to install that within the application. So anyhow, we have to discuss one ADF scenario. So it's okay. So at this moment, I'm creating manually. Click on create category. Click on create category. So we are creating categories under laptop catalog. So category name SCP underscore Dell category. SCP underscore Dell category. So it will fill with underscore. So start date. This Dell category we are creating in today date. So if you want, you can give the past date also. So end date. So if you want, you can give the end date. Restrict category to item assignment only. That means we can use this item category for only assigning items. So even apart of items, you may get it out. What else we can use? So maybe for resources like that, if you want to use, you can use. But those features are not yet available. Maybe so in future, maybe they will bring or not. So that is the reason. If we enable or disable at this moment, we can assign this item to. I mean, we can assign only items to the category. Okay. So then click on OK. So if you click on OK, then it will save, and again it will go back to the category hierarchy page. Again, you can create one more category. Click on create. So SCP underscore HP category. So description, select OK or else click on create another. If you click on create another, it will save, and you can see one more. Same page will open again. So let's take an example. Asus category. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Select. Okay. So total how many categories we created? 3 categories we created under laptop catalog. Select save first. Select save first. So then if you verify, so these are the catalogs, this is the list view, this is the hierarchy view. Anything is fine. So just remove this expand button. So here this is the hierarchy view. This is the hierarchy view. Just what is the laptop catalog, what is the hierarchy of the laptop catalog, we can see it. We can see it as well as columns. If you want, you can click on show all columns also. Show all columns. So this is just laptop catalog name, which you can see. If you select all, so then you can see the expand button. So click on expand. So here under laptop catalogs, so these are the item categories you have. This is the hierarchy view. So this is the list view. The way we are going to view, you can do anything. Then go to, this is the one, details. So this is the category hierarchy. That means under laptop catalog, whatever categories we created, we can see under category hierarchy. This is the one, details. Click on details. Again, same, you came back to the laptop catalog creation form. So whenever you created a laptop catalog, so whenever you assign this laptop catalog to any item, if you want to default any item category, then you have to choose as the default category for this laptop catalog. But this laptop catalog, every time it has to default as a Dell category. And again, if the item is a HP item, we are going to manually update it. We are going to manually update it. Okay, and if you have any images for laptop catalogs, then you can assign the images also. You can assign images also. Someone. Okay, then go to attachments, navigate to attachments. So here if you have any attachments, you can add it, any data, any file or anything, you can attach it. So here create. So we created a laptop catalog, select save and close, select save and close. Then so click on publish. Publish nothing but we can publish in the form of a report. We can publish in the form of a report, and we can take that report to verify, and we can, if you want, you can take the sign offs and everything. So click on publish. So this is the publish catalog template catalog listing. This template is from OTBI template. This is from OTBI template. So select publish OTBI template. So catalog listing template, output format, in which format you want to see, whether HTML format. This is the HTML format. See, laptop catalog is the naming convention. Under laptop catalog, we have 3 categories. So laptop catalog name, controlled at what level, we can see all these details. So under laptop catalog, we have Dell category, HP category, and so we have Asus category. So under each and every category, we can see those details. Associations. So far this category don't have any items. That's why you don't see any items. So if you want, you can take in PDF format also. Let's take PDF format. Click on go. Click on go. So likewise, you can see in the PDF format, and you can download if you want. So select open with. So you can see like this. You can see like this. Okay. So in the PDF report, you can see, and this is a catalog report which came from OTBA, came from OTBA. This template. If you want, you can customize the template in OTBA also. I won't discuss OTBA now. Just I will show the path. If anyone has technical knowledge and if you want to go through it, just you can go through it. Select done. Select done. select as, so already we saved it. So go to task. So where is the reports and here reports and analytics. So go to browse catalog. So here go to shared folders. This one belongs to supply chain management. Supply chain management, where is product management? So product management. So items, expand items. So expand catalogs, expand data models. Select catalogs. So this is the catalog detailed report. So from this report format, system is populating. So the template system is populating. If you want, you can edit, and if you want, you can try it. So in the OTPA, anyone have knowledge on RTF format and everything. So just you can see this is the catalog listing template. From here, it is populating. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we created an item catalog and categories. So then what is the next step? We need to assign items to the item catalogs and item categories. So we have two ways to assign. One is at the time of creating the item or from manage item form, we can do that one. So let's go to product information management. Let's go to product information management. So what is the item we created yesterday? So go to manage items. Go to manage items. So SEP percentage. So SCP underscore Dell laptop. This is the item which we created. Okay. So this is at IMO level. This is at Hyderabad inventory organization level. So if you want, you can alter the columns also. For example, you can alter the columns like this. So for quick reference. Okay. So this is at IMO level. This is at Hyderabad inventory level. So I want to assign laptop catalog plus category to the item. So at what level I need to open, whether IMO or at Hyderabad inventory?
It is defined at master level, right?
The item catalogs controlled at master level. That
level.
means at what we need, at where we need to associate
At IMO level.
at IMO level only. So go to Dell laptop, CP underscore Dell laptop. So go to categories. So these four, just remember. So tomorrow, next session, we are going to discuss. This is the concept only. Then here we need to associate. Select create. So catalog. So it belongs to select search. Dell laptop belongs to which catalog? SCP percentage. So laptop catalog. Select okay. So why by default Dell category is associated? Why by default Dell category is associated?
No, we have checked the checkbox, right? I mean, while creating item catalog.
Okay.
Default category.
Someone is saying clear answer.
I think while you're defining the catalog, you have associated this Dell category.
Default category. So from the details tab, associated default category. That is the reason Dell category is populating automatically. So this is one way how we are going to associate items to the item catalog and categories. So likewise, you can associate automatically once you save it, as it is controlled at master level. Automatically, the child organization Hyderabad inventory level also, this catalog and category will get applied. Select save. Select save. Select save and close. Select save and close. Then go to laptop at Hyderabad inventory organization level. Hyderabad inventory organization level. Go to categories. Okay, see, automatically laptop catalog and category is associated with item because this item catalog controlled at master level. So this is one way how we are going to associate item to the catalog and category. And what is another way? So directly from item categories, we can associate items to directly categories in the item category form. So how it will work? Select create item, select create item. So organization SCP underscore IMO. So we are creating item in the SCP underscore IMO in SCP underscore item class. Select purchased item, move to selected list, select OK. So item. So select SCP underscore HP laptop. So scroll down. So navigate to associations. So let's associate with Hyderabad inventory organization. Select search. Hyderabad inventory, select apply. Select done. Select save and close. Select save and close. Select done. So rather than associating catalog and category at item screen, so from one more navigation we can do that one where, so navigate to task, select manage catalogs, search our catalog, click on show filters, So catalog name starts with SCP percentage, hit enter button or else scroll down, you can see search button. So hit enter button, open catalog, SCP underscore laptop catalog. So HP laptop belongs to HP category. So select HP category. So here item details. So under items, here you can see select and add. So if this is the details, that means category related details. So you can modify the naming conventions also. So any attachments, if you want attached to HP category, you can attach here. So under items tab, click on select and add. Search item SCP percentage HP laptop. Select apply. Select OK. So this is how we can associate item to the category. So once we save it, you will see a pop-up note. Select, you will see a note. Select OK. What is this note? What is this note?
Master control from the child organizations.
That means, yes, we associated this item to HP catalog. This is a master level control. Automatically, whatever child organizations associated with this item, that means Hyderabad inventory also, this catalog and category will update. Select OK. Select save and close. Now, if you go back to laptop catalog again, laptop catalog. So just select HP category. See now automatically system associated with Hyderabad inventory also. You can see 2 lines for same item. One is for IMO, another one is for Hyderabad inventory organization. Hyderabad inventory organization. Okay. Just the way of a view, you can just change it if you want. That's fine. So is any questions on catalogs or categories, theoretical concept or setup wise?
Sarath, in EBS, we will select category set, then we will assign categories, right?
Yeah, I mean, category set. We don't have any category set. Directly we have categories only.
No. When I say in items,
You said that is for default categories. That category set will come for default category setup, not for standard category setup. Okay.
Okay.
So default category setup, here we will say default catalogs, nothing but functional area of catalogs, which we are going to discuss on Monday session.
Okay.
Yesterday I told you, right? Remember that 4 categories automatically applied. Just remember this statement. So for that, we are going to discuss functional area of catalogs. That is the category set which we are going to use. So for default categories in EBS, this is default catalogs.
Okay.
Okay.
Sharath, one doubt. Like, while you are defining the catalog, like there was a checkbox like a leaf one. Can you just explain once again?
Okay, ideally, I mean, in e-business suite, what happens is the item catalog is not mandatory concept, only item category is mandatory. That means item category alone, you can choose the combination, even there is a catalog exists. But if you want to restrict people, like if they choose catalog, then only those catalog categories they have to choose. Or else, without, if they have a catalog, then without choosing catalog, item category shouldn't choose in the application. If you want to restrict like that, for that purpose, in e-business suite, we have assign leaf level category assignment checkbox. So same checkbox carry forwarded to here, but the difference is in e-business suite item catalog, do you need to implement or not is optional, but here it is mandatory. So that means if you choose catalog, automatically only categories will come into the picture. That's it.
Okay. And one more thing, Sharath, like while once you have defined everything, the categories and everything, there is a publish button, right? Where the report it has been generated like
Yes.
HTML and so like as of now we have defined only 3 categories. Like suppose if we have a bunch of categories and user asks like only for a specific category we need a list. So can we execute for a specific category by
No report, nothing but that report for catalog, not for category.
oh sorry, catalog. Like okay, so if you're having many catalogs, like can
So
we
whatever catalogs you want to print that report, just choose those catalogs. So control, hold the control button, choose all those things and click on publish.
okay, thanks.
Sarath, suppose we have a 500 existing catalog and we want to import it. So can we import that catalog or we
Import
need
nothing
to?
but okay, I will give you. So we have a item catalogs and categories. A BDA template is there. With the help of template, whatever the data you need to format in the Excel. So and you shouldn't alter columns in the seeded templates. Okay. So just in the template you need to sort the data and you need to upload to the application. That is possible. Or else on a regular basis, if you want to create a new categories also with the help of ADFDA, again Excel format, Excel 2 here you can load it. But the simple difference is ADFDI only Excel format, FBDI nothing but in the Excel, from Excel you need to generate a CSV flat file. Yes, you can do that one because there is hundreds of data, hundreds of catalogs and categories. Usually no one will create manually, right? It's a conversion process.
Yes. Thanks.
So if you want to know, my sincere request for viewers, just how you have to, verify is Orkill. Let me take Orkill Cloud Inventory FBDA templates. So ensure that you are going to download the template from Orkill official website only. Don't go with any other things. So here, this is the templates. For items, there is a template is there, inventory balances, there is a template is there. So supply chain availability. So just you need to verify the templates like that. Somewhere you can see the templates. For example, so you want to load items. Again, item import template. See item association, item category, item extensible, whatever fields is there in this template, you can see all these sub things. then system will tell you to go one by one. So what is the scheduled process you have to run? So system will give you clear process in which universal content manager you need to load. Again, UCM is not mandatory from release 13.18a, but so better purpose is just avoid a load on database. Good thing is first load into UCM account. So again, what you have to do is you need to download this template. So currently, what is the template version?
17D.
17D. So you have to cross verify with Oracle team by creating a service request that what is the latest templates available. So then based on that one, you need to search the latest templates also. Okay, guys. So don't go with, so I mean, whatever the search criteria will come, sometimes the templates may have some small changes in the latest environment. So that is the purpose. You need to go with latest templates only. Anyhow, Oracle is going to provide you all the URLs and everything to download from their point. Okay. So currently version is 18.05, that means 18B05, but still template is 17D. Sometimes same template will work, just cross verify with Oracle and just download that template. So download that template. So just item import template, select, open with. Anyone can create, guys, just you need to spend time, that's all you need to do, is enable editing. So first thing, instructions in CSV generation, they clearly written instructions, how to load the data, how to format the data, and go to, so here somewhere they will mention clearly that recommendations. So how to load this one, all the process is there. So importing the loaded data, how to import, so each and everything, how to correct any error scans, how to correct those things, so everything. So they will say, then you need to load, so one by one, so transaction details and everything. If you want to know which column applicable, how exactly, just, so for each and every column, so you can see the comments, or else comment you can see, or else just select all, go to view. There is this comment section. Is that review or where we can see show all comments? So you can see all comments also. By verifying comments, you can format the data. Okay. So for revisions, so revision data, category assignment. So what is the transaction type? Create or update? Create. So batch number, item number. So for item, for which organization you are assigning and which is the catalog name, category code, all these things you are going to choose. Likewise, one by one, you need to prepare the Excel format and you need to load the data. Usually, FBDA conversion team will take care.
Sarath,
yes.
so we have, cloud has provided this template for all modules, right?
Yes, across modules.
Master data.
Yes, we don't need to prepare any template.
So, okay, in EBS we don't have this option, right?
No, in e-business suite, our technical team has to create so manually the template.
Then it's a big advantage, I think.
Yeah, I mean, implementation process will become very simple.
Yeah.
So earlier, so when I observed a couple of businesses, one business unit, one operating unit, for one operating unit conversion itself, usually some 4 to 5 people use it to work. So if the business is a global business, for conversion team itself, some 80 people also worked. But so currently, one cloud conversion team, so only they are recruiting some 20 people only in US. Only 20 people is going to do that process. I mean, that means from 100 to the account became 80.
Okay.
Sorry, 20. Sorry,
from legacy to
20.
right, legacy to cloud, Oracle cloud. You are saying?
Yeah, I mean, to legacy to cloud, if for the conversion process.
Okay.
So earlier, they recruited some 100 people some 5 years ago when they are doing this Oracle implementation. But now they are changing the systems to the cloud. For cloud, only 20 people are enough because all templates are by default available.
Right. Because even in market there are some private. There are many tools available to import the data to do validation and import.
Yes, but those tools are not yet working properly. First thing. There is a lot of bugs. Only couple of data like supplier data and for customer data only tools are good. Good. But remaining tools are not yet. So they don't have very good features. But Oracle SOAR will come soon.
What is it? Oracle
SOAR.
Okay.
So Oracle SOAR is a automated migration process.
It's automated. Okay.
So one advantage, guys, so we can learn across modules, across functionalities for everyone. So and if we can learn, so we can get very good opportunities. And another disadvantage is if we stick for only one module, I mean there is a potential possibility is there. I mean there is a risk, is there potential risk for getting low salaries, or I mean in future maybe some other disadvantages is there. So in cloud we need to work across modules definitely in future, not now, in future. Okay. That's fine. So anyhow, we are not FBDA, OTBA, all those things are part of real-time discussions, but not now. So I'm closing this one. Okay. So any questions on item catalogs or categories?
No, sir. Fine.
Okay. Next week
sure.
we complete functional area of catalogs, unit of measures, and some other small concepts, and we'll start with inventory. Okay. And one more thing, so we have some pending payments is there from people, so please clear all the payments, guys. So for few people, I mean based on their request, we given 2 times, so but please clear entire payments by weekend. Thanks everyone, see you tomorrow, sorry, see you on Monday. Bye for now.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thanks,
sir.
Sarath.
Happy weekend.
So,
Thanks, sir.
yeah, thank you.